Good morning, traders. This is Brad Matheny again. Boy, would you look at this rally. The Vortex rally really seems to be setting up right now. Check out this daily SPY chart, and you can see just how aggressive this move is becoming to the upside right now. Very strong trending. We're back up into this area I thought we needed to get above. Really looking for the 545 to 550 area as a next move higher. I mean, in reality, folks, looks like the markets really want to come back up to here. We really do want to see this upward trend continue. Very solid. We still have to defend this contraction. We have filled the gap. It looks like we could see a pretty solid rally. I will warn you still that I'm looking at this 528, 530 area. In fact, at this point, I think I can safely move these up a little bit to where they would be based on a Fibonacci 50% retracement. So we're really looking at that 530, 532 area as critical support. Now, are we out of the flag formation yet? Kinda, maybe. Don't know. We could get rejection and see it roll back down tomorrow. We could see it follow through. Tomorrow's pattern, I don't have it up. I believe it should be a rally. Hold on. Get over here to the actual pattern itself. And it is a rally mode tomorrow in carryover trend. So I would still be expecting a continued upward movement in the markets tomorrow. And again, we could see that 545, 547 area breached fairly quickly. This is a very strong upward trend. You can see over here. This is the new what I call them gunslinger technology. You can see the rotation I highlighted earlier on the 2-minute chart, little rotation over here. Same thing here, very solid triggers. And you can see the amount of momentum we're getting now in this rally phase. As it continues to break higher, what ends up happening, folks, is we end up getting more and more Fibonacci high and low breaches, in this case, high breaches. So as we're going up, we're building this huge momentum to the upside. This is building very strong upward momentum. And if I come over here and go to a 1 hour and come over here, go to 30 minutes, you're going to see the actual strength that's being built right now. Very solid upward strength in the market, and it should continue to play out. So Bitcoin is up to 61,000. It's up 1,600 right now, moving back into my flagging formation. Gold is flat today, no problem. Really not too concerned with this. It was at new high closing prices yesterday. Even if it were to close right now at 2507, 2508, this would be a new high closing price today. Very, very solid. Let's take a look at crude oil. It's up yesterday, down today. Really do believe that crude oil is going to make another downward swing into the below 70 area. Let's take a look at the QQQs. Already up, I'm assuming. Yep, very solid rally phase. Really looking at 472 as my target area right here. We're seeing some really good numbers: 2 1/3, 2 1/4, 2.9 on Bitcoin, 1.5 on the S&P, Dow Jones up 91. Very solid basing and bottoming really taking place here. And again, I can't wait. TradingView wrote me. They told me what I need to do to get everything ready here. They're going to look everything over so I can release my gunslinger tools. And I think we're going to be off to the races here. The Vortex rally, again, is it's an incredible deep V bottom. I mean, I've highlighted it here. I wish I could make this bigger and more colorful, but this is a massive deep V base right now. And again, once gold enters its second phase, second leg higher, you're going to be looking at 2550 or higher. Once this thing moves up and settles into support up in this area above 545, we're going to probably be looking at a pretty strong rally phase carrying back out of this. And it really comes down to, this was a shakeout. This was a panic shakeout. Now everybody seems to be wanting to watch this roll over and collapse. But, you know, if the Japanese yen is up 700 points and climbing, you know, I don't see it quite yet. We still got to get above this downward sloping blue line. But the U.S. markets are just on fire. And I think the Vortex rally is really going to play out solidly. So I'm going to just tell you that play what's in front of you and don't try to second guess the market. It is really on a tear. And the Fed, as I've told you guys many times before, the Fed has set up a very unique set of circumstances where many global markets will likely feel pressured over the next 12 to 24 months, including some that you may not even consider. But at the same point in time, the US market dominance, until something breaks, is pretty much kind of rooted in the concept that the US economy is more dynamic, more capable, and more fluid than any other economy on the planet right now. Okay, guys, that's my update for now. We'll see how it plays out. Remember, gold will likely make a second move higher into early next week. So don't be surprised to see gold waffle around for a day or two. I think next week we're going to see another big move up. Okay, guys, talk to you later.